Morning and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go home later on today, but we've got a last little walk around Krakow. So if you want to join us, please carry on and watch this video. We don't fly out till about 8:15 tonight, so we've got most of the day in Krakow, so we'll do a bit more exploring. Just going to the other side at the bridge, see what's at this side. So we'll see you in a bit. That's the river. So it's only about 2 minutes walk from hotel, and we're in this square. As you can see, there's loads of chairs. This is the square where all the Jews had to surrender all the furniture that they'd brought with them. So I think the tour guide said each chair represents 1,000 Jews. So you've got quite poignant when you see the amount of chairs. Yeah, so there's a little gallery end which isn't open, but it's got 1941 to 1943. That's when most of the Jews were taken to these concentration camps. So the sign reads, "From our path there's no turning back. We are fighting for 3 lines in history, if only to show that Jewish youth did not go like sheep to slaughter." You can read the rest, hopefully. Sun's in the wrong place. You can see there's like pictures on the wall. Can't get in because it's all caged off at the moment. Right, we'll have a walk by the river towards the castle. Decent cup of coffee. Coffee at no telling up to much, I can tell you that. And tea's a definite no-goer. Even Sprite Road, look. And they actually stop for you at pedestrian crossings, don't they? Pedestrians have the right of way. Better than England. I think we'll find quite a few of ours walking along this river. We've actually got sunshine. Last day we've got sunshine. It's a weird place to have a big roast. Certainly a weird bit of art into actual river. Pig being roasted over a log fire. There's supposedly a bridge down here with some dancing acrobats on it or something. You can just about make them out. Yeah. Don't think I'll go out of my way to look at them. Might be able to see them. I don't think we'll go up off the river path, will we? No. There's some lovely architecture. Well, that bit there, we'll blank that bit out there. Move over to there, there's some lovely architecture. Yeah. So in summer you've got all these river boats and bars, yeah. Yeah, so these are all like restaurant bars, aren't they? Restaurant and cocktail bars. They're all fakes, looks like that one moves, doesn't it? Yeah. It's got settees on it and everything, that one. Right, so that's the bridge with the acrobats on. Zoom in a bit so you can see it. We'll go to the other side of the bridge. It looks like they're all facing over the other side of the bridge. Oh, you can actually see them. Sun's in the wrong place as well. We're not bothered going up on bridge to have a closer look. A bit further away now, you might see them better. Certainly getting the boats ready for the new season. We're a little bit early. Well, I say it's busy enough now, isn't it? It's always like in height of season. I say it's busy enough now and we're only in low season. It'd be like in height of season. Oh, Portofino on that, yeah. It is. That's in June, Portofino. So that's something else you got to look forward to. Portofino, Florence and what? Lucca. So that's... yeah. So that's where we're going, in June. You've actually got quite a bit of green space though, haven't you? I bet Castle's just round this corner. So that's like Krakow, looks like it's a fun fair and that, but she says that big dome is like the balloon that goes up on a wire up into the sky, and you can see panoramic views of Krakow itself. But of course, it's after season, it's not running. Yeah, we're into modern building part now. There's little boat houses there. Whether rented accommodation or whether you can hire them out. They're like a floating hotel or something. Yeah, they look like definitely floating accommodation though, isn't it? Yeah, it's definitely a fun fair that. Yeah, there is a lot of churches in there, very, very religious, aren't they? Might be a nice sunny morning, but it's a cool breeze. Just admit. Better view from church. Oh, we're nearly at the castle. Well, it didn't take as long as what I thought it would do. That's the castle up there. Go for a nice cup of coffee? Yeah, nice cup of coffee in the castle. More bar restaurants. Well, oh, that's cruise ones, that one. They actually sail those. Find the ramp that leads up to the castle. Just to the side of that little church there, and that's the gateway where the round tower is. Right, just have a last look at the river here. We'll work our way up to the castle. So that takes us about half an hour. Yeah, from Bridge, where we've gone to Riverside. A bit more fresh air walk than walking up Main Street.
Yeah.
So there's the castle. You can tell where the dragon is because there's crowds of people around it, all waiting for Flame to come out. It's a beautiful building, that one. Back up the steps again. Getting to know his way around Krakow now. We're on his way home later on today. Well, I must admit, it's a lovely place. It is a lovely place. Here we are, back up at the castle. So back is little coffee place. We like this one. It's good coffee as well. A bench that plays music.
That's nice,
It's different, isn't it? Sit on a bench that plays music, do you? It's certainly different. relaxing. You'd be asleep if you sat there now. Apart from cold weather.
Yeah, relax.
Different angle of the castle. So I don't know where this street, we think it's leased at museum, don't we? But we're not sure. We can't understand map. But that looks like it's a gate up there. So it could be St. Florence's Gate. I think there's more pigeons here than Trafalgar Square. So we're taking that St. Florence's Gate then. So the museum must be somewhere around here. Certainly gift shop alley, this one, isn't it? Oh, discovered this on his last day. Glad we found that that's where the museum is, but we haven't really got time to go in it. There was supposed to be a Leonardo da Vinci painted in there, but unfortunately it's not there anymore, so Karen wanted to see one. But we're not paying to go in if it's not there. Arctic defensive wall. So that's another angle of the defensive tower. Up to the old city wall gate. Grunwald. I know. Must be some medieval hero or something. We don't need to bother big tour guys, do we? So it definitely looks like Grunwald has been slaughtered. Lovely building to left hand side though. More of a close up. And back down towards Defence Tower. So that's a bank, Polish bank. Let's look at Defence Tower from the other side. Right. See where this queue's died down for this church. The tour guide recommended this one. We bought a ticket. Just to look down the outer city wall. Like we've had this last little walk round today. Ooh, sunshine. What's that one there? So this is the Krakow Opera House. Just heard a tour guide say. Modelled on the one in Paris. That's the side view of the Opera House. I'm not sure what that building is down there, but So that's the side view at Opera House. Right, so we're in the Basilica. Very ornate. Well, it's certainly, is it Basilica this one? Yeah. St Mary's Church or Basilica. So, I mean, it's very impressive. Mount of Gold is down there. It is. Right, we've had a nice meal in that Hard Rock Cafe. That's been nice. One of the best burgers I've had for ages, that. So we'll just have a quick spin round. We're going to work our way back to the hotel now, get us cases, and we'll be having transfer back to airport. And we'll be on our way home tonight at 8:15. So until our next adventure, we'll say goodbye for now, and don't forget to do all that YouTubey stuff, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.